Hi kids, good afternoon. With today you finished all your exams, isn't it? Yes. How did you write first midterm examinations, children? I think you have written very well. Is it right, children? Yes. Okay, children. Today I come before you to say or to refresh your mind with a new thought. Thought for the day. Today is a great day to learn something new. Once again, I repeat, children, this thought to refresh you or to refresh your mind. Once again, today is a great day to learn something new. Okay, children, after many days, I come back before you to introduce one new topic or with a new lesson. Can you guess what I am going to ask you? Yes. When daddy or mummy wants to go out for the marriage, how do they go, children? Yes, they may go by car, bus, or bike and auto. Actually, some months back, how did you come to school, children? By walk, by car, or by bus, or by bicycle? Yes, most of you might have come by bike, isn't it right, children? Today, I come before you with a new topic that is Let's Travel. Third lesson name is Let's Travel. Today, let us learn about the transport. About the transport. Today, let us learn the story of transport. The story of transport. Long ago, there were no vehicles. People walked long distances. That means people used to go by walk everywhere. It took them a long time to go from one place to another. In olden days, the people used to go by walk. One more thing I will tell you, children. The vehicles that we use to travel from one place to another are modes of transport. Once again, I will repeat. The vehicles that we use to travel from one place to another are modes of transport. In olden days, we had no vehicles, only the people used to go by walk. Walking was the only way to go from one place to another. Then after that, the rafts were made. They were used to travel by water. To travel by water, they tied logs of wood together and made rafts. This thing is called rafts. 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 Later, animals were used to transport people and goods. After a long time, the wheel was invented and carts were made. Animals were used as a modes of transport. They carried goods and people. After some time, the wheel was invented and carts were made. The invention of the wheel soon led to the use of animal driven carts. These were pulled by horses, mules, and ponies. Today, most modes of transport use wheels. Much later came the bicycle, the train, and car, and afterwards aeroplane. The aeroplane, helicopter, and rocket followed soon after. This is the modes of transport have changed over the years. Okay, children, did you listen? the changes had taken place day by day. The first, the people used to go by walk, afterwards, in the water with the rats, afterwards, the transport was changed and the animals they used for the to carry goods and people. After the invention of the wheel, they invented the wheel carts with the horses and mules and ponies. After the invention of the bicycle, the people started to go by bicycle. Afterwards, they invented car, bus, train and aeroplanes. Slowly, the modes of transport was changed. So people used to go, in olden days, people used to go by walk. Afterwards, rats came, and with the animals, with the bicycle, bus, car, train, and aeroplane, we go to one place to another. Okay, children, there are three kinds of transports. How many are there? Three kinds of transports. One is land transport, and another one is water transport, and the third one is air transport. Land transport, water transport, and air transport. In land transport, we use bus, car, motorcycle, train, and auto rickshaw, so and so. And in water transport, we use ship, ferry, and boats, so and so, steamer, cargo ship, so on. And in air transport, we use aeroplane and helicopter. With this, I conclude, children. Today, learn this the story of transport and the changes of transport. Children, take page number 18 from the textbook. Circle the correct answers. Circle the correct answers. Here, you have to circle the correct answers. Read and write 2 times. Write 2 times in HW. Okay, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.